Good day, Mama and Sir. I'm Milet G. Pailas. I'm 32 years old. I'm widow with a son, 9 years old. I am number 3 of 4 siblings, 2 boys and 1 girl. My religion is Catholic. I'm high school graduate. I'm working experience in Saudi Arabia, 2 years and 2 months. 5 members of the family, 3 kids. And another working experience in Kuwait, 3 years and 3 months. 5 members of the family, 7 kids. My main duties are cooking, ironing, cleaning the house, changing clothes, changing diapers, childcare, and sometimes I will play with them. To my Hong Kong employers, thank you for choosing me, and I promise I will do my best to all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.